Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove image watermark from all pages in Excel. Let's get started. At first, we go to the print option. Check the preview. We can see here a image watermark. Now we want to remove this. Go to the insert menu. Select the header and footer option. Now we can see here the image. Now we want to delete this. Select the text picture and delete this. Then click outside. Then go to the view menu. Select the normal option. Then go to the file menu. Select the print option and check the preview. We can see we remove the image watermark from all pages very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.